Okay, so it's Christmas Eve. It's like 7:37. And we're going to bring down the gifts for the kids so I don't have to do it tomorrow on Christmas Day. And then they're going to pick out 2 gifts to open. And yeah. So, Bo's bringing some down. I'm going to get the living room ready. Okay, so this is all the gifts. There's some under, but you can't see. Well, there's all of that. But they're only going to pick 2 tonight. Because it's not even barely midnight.
One is the little Stitch, my boy.
This one?
Okay, pick one more.
This one and...
We just look for your
There's
name,
some
my boy.
under too. Don't forget.
Sit
down.
God.
Don't open it yet.
This is yours. Go pick present, look.
Get present. Give him his one, buddy.
Which one?
His one's a doggies.
Here.
I love LOL.
And then one more. One more. Okay, ready, set, go.
Okay, now I know what to do with this.
What'd you get, sister?
Oh, Papa, look.
Ooh.
All you guys wait. I saw this at Ross. Whoa!
Whoa, Papa, what'd you get?
Jasmine! Oh, it's happy. Jasmine!
Yay.
Open, Papa, open. Open.
They're like air hockey.
Can you see, Mom? Mommy really take this?
No? I made it easy for him.
Oh, I love Papa.
Whoa, dinosaur.
What is this, Mama?
Yay, what'd you get?
Rapunzel and Jasmine.
Okay, ready? Take a picture. 1, 2, 3, Darren. Hold yourself up. 1, 2, 3. Papa, let me see what you got. Papa, let me see.
Yeah, that's totally the sweet.
Wow.
Shit, man.
Oh! That's
It came mine.
What kind of game did you get?
Come on.
Like I'm gonna play Pokemon. Nice. Oh, dinosaurs. See? Are you set? So it's Christmas morning and I made breakfast. This is my plate. I got bagel, scrambled eggs, and bacon. It's the rest for the kids, and I'm gonna make myself some coffee. Get the stockings first. Okay, we're gonna open their stockings.
Day Day, this is Day Day's one, right? Here, Day Day.
Here.
Put him down. Come, give him to me.
Give it to mommy.
Where's the
Okay, that one's from Auntie Della.
Here, get it.
Okay, it's just from Santa.
Here,
Okay.
hold it.
Who's that from, Daddy?
Nino and Nina.
That's from your Nino, Uncle Noni, and Nina G.
Here, hold it. Here, open it.
Oh,
Open it.
Another one. Who's that? Ariel. Show Grandma. It's an Among Us. That's from Auntie Della. So now you can put it up in your room.
Wow. Hey, man.
Wow.
Papa's
That's
still
from
trying, huh?
Santa.
Hey, Papa, ask mommy help.
Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
I need the Chinese.
I want pho, Leia. I want pho.
Papa's old. Oh, Papa's old.
Oh, you even got a cell phone? You got a car too?
Wow.
She bad and bougie.
Hey guys, so that's a wrap for our Christmas day. We woke up late, but nonetheless, I made breakfast, brunch. The kids opened their presents, as you can see, and they appreciate everyone that got them something. So thank you so much. They're loving it. Damien right now is playing with his fruit set that his Nino and his Nina got him. So thank you so much.
Thank you for it, Auntie Della.
And then Auntie Della got Lele and Darren, all of the kids, a bunch of stuff. So thank you. Hey guys, so I'm editing today's video and I just remembered I didn't properly end it out again, like another video. But I just wanted to go ahead and say thank you again to everyone that bought the kids something and got them for Christmas, even if you couldn't buy them. Thank you so much still for thinking of them at least and loving them and wishing them a Merry Christmas. We hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and enjoyed it with your family, because we did. Even though unfortunately we couldn't be with our family in Guam, we still semi-celebrated with them over FaceTime, so they got to see what the kids got for Christmas and their reactions. So yeah, this is the last video that I am going to post for this year. As I get ready for next year, I am going to do a clean with me, like a reset, like a entering in the new year kind of clean with me video, so stay tuned for that. I will be taking down our Christmas decor, and then I will be decorating our house, like revamping it for the new year. So stay tuned for those videos, and I hope you guys have a great New Year's and happy holidays. We're in the restroom right now, so don't mind it, but Lele would like to say something. Would you like to say something? Go ahead.
I'm glad you guys did your gifts from your family of your you lived at Guam. I hope your family gives you the gifts that you loved, and you be thankful and have a good holiday Christmas.
Have a good holiday. Are you thankful? Are you thankful for all the gifts and love that your family has given to you?
Mhm.
Yes?
Mhm.
Okay.
I love the desk and the earrings and all the things.
Everything that you got?
Mhm.
Yeah. Are you excited for the new year and your birthday coming up in January?
Mhm.
Yeah? Okay, say thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to what?
Like, subscribe, and turn on the bells.
Yeah, and comment down below what you got for Christmas. If you
Okay.
don't want to put that, then just comment anything down below. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces!